Have you ever caught yourself wondering how to navigate towards tranquility in a world that is perpetually buzzing with activity and clamor? You're not alone. The answer to this universal quest might be found in Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy that has been silently influencing great leaders and thinkers for ages. Stoicism, a time-honored philosophy from the Greek Hellenistic period, has consistently shaped our understanding of serenity and resilience. It provides invaluable wisdom about the human condition, helping us comprehend our position in the cosmos and our interaction with elements within and beyond our control. At its core, Stoicism is a philosophy of comprehension and acceptance. It instructs us to differentiate between what lies within our dominion and what does not, and to accept this difference gracefully. Stoicism accentuates the significance of preserving our inner calm, irrespective of adversity or prosperity. It motivates us to focus on our thoughts and deeds, our real sources of power, while peacefully acknowledging and detaching from outside scenarios and circumstances that are out of our control. Think of Stoicism as bestowing your mind with a superpower. It empowers you to concentrate on your thoughts and actions while effortlessly dismissing external influences that are beyond your control. This philosophy is not solely about the pursuit of peace. It also encourages the development of emotional resilience, the strengthening of mental fortitude, and the cultivation of contentment and fulfillment. Stoicism serves as a compass, directing us towards a more balanced, peaceful existence amid the commotion of contemporary life. So how do we unlock this Stoic superpower? The key revolves around three solid pillars: wisdom, virtue, and action. The starting pillar, wisdom, is more than just intelligence. It's an intricate understanding of the world around us, distinguishing the essential from the trivial. Wisdom allows us to navigate life's complexities with a high-powered flashlight in hand, piercing through illusions to comprehend reality. The subsequent pillar, virtue, represents the pursuit of moral excellence. It's a journey towards bettering ourselves, not only mentally but also spiritually. Virtue is about courage, compassion, fairness, and justice. It's the practical application of steering us like a moral compass to make ethical decisions that benefit everyone. The final structural element of Stoicism, action, propels us to implement our wisdom and virtue. It's like possessing superhuman limbs, ready to take a proactive approach, leaving a tangible effect. It's not sufficient to just know or to be morally upright, one must also act. In conclusion, the Stoic superpower is about possessing the clarity of wisdom, the moral compass of virtue, and the proactive drive of action. It's the continuous interaction of these three pillars that empower us to face life's challenges. We rise, we fall, but we persistently progress. So, how do we unlock this Stoic superpower? The final key is action, the application of knowledge, like superhuman limbs making a significant impact. You might be contemplating, is Stoicism just for scholarly individuals in flowing robes? Not at all. Stoicism reaches far beyond the boundaries of a theoretical idea exchanged in isolated, dimly lit rooms by deep thinkers. It's an impressive life mechanism that isn't limited to a particular clique or career, but instead is accessible to anyone who aspires for a serene and robust life. Consider the countless scenarios in daily life where Stoicism can be applied. Let's consider schools, those lively centers packed with young, influential minds. Visualize a young lad, hardly 10 or 11 years old, on the brink of a formidable exam. The exam sits in front of him like a massive hurdle, threatening his peace. However, instead of buckling under the strain or letting the fear overpower him, he remains calm and collected. He faces the formidable exam with a wave of cool determination, seeing it not as a challenge, but as a chance for development. Now picture another situation, a playground where the same lad is faced with a bully, a sad but frequent happening in many schools. Rather than letting fury ignite within him, leading to a harsh, damaging altercation, he keeps his composure, dealing with the predicament with a maturity that belies his age. He confronts the bully not with aggression but with assertiveness and bravery. That, folks, is Stoicism weaving its spell on young minds. Want to unlock your inner Stoic? Here are some easy practices to kickstart your journey. First up, morning meditation, a ritual that rings the starting bell for your day, setting the rhythm for the unfolding hours. All it takes is a few quiet minutes each day with all your attention on your breath. Close your eyes and take it slow. Feel the air energize your lungs and then calmly exit your body. Try to clear your mind of thoughts, anxieties, or distractions. This is a challenging task, but with practice it becomes more conceivable. The primary aim of this practice is to tutor your brain to cherish calmness and tranquility. This brief moment of tranquility in the morning can establish the tone for your entire day, enhancing your resilience against stress and obstacles. Next in line, negative visualization. This practice might feel startling at first, but it's not about immersing oneself in negative thoughts. Rather, it's about predicting possible hurdles and mentally gearing up for them. Visualize different situations where things could go awry or your plans could hit a dead end. Now, instead of succumbing to fear, remind yourself that you're fully capable to handle it. This practice is designed to harden you, to maintain your calm and readiness for anything life throws at you. It is all about reinforcing your mental toughness, guiding you to remain composed in any circumstance. Finally, have the gratitude practice. This one is about shifting your attention to the positive, regardless of how your day has been. Make it a habit to appreciate both the significant and things that you're grateful for every day. It could be something as crucial as the shelter over your head, or as simple as a beautiful sunset. Practicing gratitude helps us to reorient on what we have instead of what we lack, attracting more positivity into our lives. So to unlock the true power of Stoicism, start your day with a moment of serenity, mentally prepare for the unforeseen, and conclude it with a note of gratitude. These practices might seem modest, but their impact on your life could be profound. Remember, Stoicism is an expedition, not a terminus. It demands time and regular practice. It's akin to a long-distance race, not a rush, needing persistence, regularity, and mindfulness. This fascinating philosophy is a doorway waiting to be unlocked. It might appear daunting at first, but with a sprinkle of patience, each stride will bring you closer towards becoming your own Stoic superhero. The practice of Stoicism is a constant progression of development and enhancement. It isn't a quick solution, but a lifelong dedication to self-growth and self-sight. The charm of this route lies in its straightforwardness, a simplicity that encourages a profound comprehension of oneself and the surrounding environment. In this immense cosmos, you are not isolated. There is an abundance of tools and supports at your fingertips to aid you on this expedition. A myriad of books, web pages, and YouTube channels, each a goldmine of wisdom and knowledge devoted to this ancient philosophy. They serve as lighthouses, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of Stoicism. As you delve into this philosophy, share your Stoic encounters, gain insights from others, treading the same path, and share your enlightenment as well. This exchange of wisdom enriches the Stoic fraternity, making the journey more illuminating and satisfying. By subscribing to this channel, you'll be launching on an epic voyage of self-exploration, gaining not just insights about Stoicism, but also about your own self. It's a call to discover, absorb, and flourish. Setting off on this expedition is not just a pledge to Stoicism, it's a commitment to your own self. Don't forget to like and circulate this video with anyone who might be interested in discovering their own inner tranquility. Collectively, we can construct a world brimming with tranquil minds and joyful hearts, one Stoic superhero at a time.